In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your domain is not connected to Hostinger. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, sign in to your Hostinger account to open the hPanel dashboard. This is where all your domain and hosting settings live, so make sure you use the account that controls the domain you're troubleshooting. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the domain section and click on it to continue. Next, open your domain portfolio. This view lists every domain you own in that account. Find the domain that isn't connected and select it. From there, click on Manage to open that domain settings. This will bring up the domain overview where you can access DNS and name server controls. Look for the DNS or name servers tab and click it. Here you'll see the current name servers assigned to the domain and the option to change them. If your site is supposed to point to Hostinger and it isn't, these values are what you need to update. Now click Name Servers to reveal name server options. You'll see a choice to change name servers. Select Change Name Servers and then choose the option that allows Hostinger to automatically set the correct name servers for you. This is especially helpful if you've recently switched hosting providers because Hostinger will adjust the records to match what your hosting plan expects. After making the change, save your settings. Saving initiates the update that tells the internet to point your domain to Hostinger's servers. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to propagate across the internet. Usually propagation completes within a few hours, but it can take up to 24 to 48 hours in some cases. If the domain still shows as not connected after propagation, double-check that you changed the name servers on the registrar that currently manages the domain. Also verify that there aren't conflicting DNS records set elsewhere. If everything looks correct and the problem persists, contact Hostinger support. They can inspect your account and server settings and advise on any account level or DNS-specific issues. A final tip. When you make DNS changes, clear your browser cache or try a private window to be sure you're not seeing a cached version of the site. That's it. Follow these steps and you'll reconnect your domain to Hostinger smoothly.